me take this off. That kind of hurt. Hello my rosebuds, welcome back to another Nava Rose video. Since you all enjoyed my last thrift video where I thrifted my dream Pinterest wardrobe, I am back with another one, but for summer trend. And now that things are slowly getting back to normal and everyone is starting to go out more, we can all finally dress up. Minus LA announcing that we're gonna go back on a mask mandate and the new Delta variant with cases rising. Other than all that stuff, things are pretty back to normal. You know, being in quarantine for over a year, it made me realize that I never want to wear a boring outfit ever again in my lifetime. And I know a lot of people can relate to that. So I'm so excited for the new summer 2021 trends because it's definitely something new for me. I really do not have a lot of these things already in my wardrobe. So I was so excited to thrift all these. And that is very rare for Nava Rose to not have some trends and items in her closet because I literally have everything in my closet. But clearly I don't have any summer 2021 trends. Let me pull up my penny board. So this is what my Pinterest board looks like right now. Very fun, very colorful. There's a ton of prints, a lot of florals, but more 60s inspired and 70s inspired florals. Lots of green. Look at all this green here. Literally, my Pinterest board currently just screams fun, like SpongeBob fun.
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me. Try it. N is for anywhere and anytime and all down here in the deep blue sea.
Oh my gosh, and that, my friend, is the first time Nava Rose has ever sang on camera. Clearly you can tell that Nava Rose has many talents except for singing. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you thrifting to one of my favorite thrift stores, and then I'm gonna do a try-on haul at the end. And of course, it would not be a thrift video without ThredUp, so thank you to them for being the sponsors of today's video. And I have a special promo, as always, at the very end, so stay tuned. You all know I love ThredUp. I always love working with them. I am constantly thrifting on there just because it's so convenient. I could do it easily from my phone and my laptop, and I can thrift any time of the day. It's the largest online thrift store with over 40,000 brands, and they have new drops coming in every single day for up to 90% off the estimated retail price. I get it. I know trying to keep up with the new trends every single season can be stressful and really hard on your bank account. That's why I love doing these kind of videos, because I love showing how easy it is to find these trends at your local thrift store. Plus, it is eco-friendly. If you've never tried thrifting online, ThredUp is giving my followers an extra 30% off their very first order with my code NAVA. All you have to do is use the link in my description box to shop. All right, so let's cut to the thrifting vlog. Hello! We are thrifting today. Look at her. She looks oh, thank you. You guys are so sweet. Have a good day. They're too cute. We are at my favorite thrift store in Covina called Community Thrift Store. A very unique name for a thrift store. Heidi, get a clip of me in my outfit. I look like a little celery stick today. I usually find really good stuff here, so let's leave with a big cart full of stuff. It's so huge. I love this thrift store. Look at this.
Everything's color coordinated. That's like everything.
Yeah. This is something that I would totally get, but this is not the vibe for this trip, so I'm gonna put it back. Kind of cute. I think I can make it work. Ew. I'm pretty sure I need this. It has these little beads for the straps. I think it's so cute. This matches my outfit right now. I have to get it. I also really like checking the little girl section because of aesthetic stuff. Clearly I can't fit in them, but they're still cute. Uh-oh, me and Heidi did some damage.
I've never had a cart this full of stuff.
Really? Literally my cart every single time. The vibes are there. This jacket with my outfit, actually, it kind of works.
Oh, thank you. You're so sweet.
We're gonna start with the jackets first. One of the main things on my Pinterest board is just colorful outerwear. That way I could layer them and style them together. And I found this lime green trench coat, which I thought was really, really fun. I'm not a fan of the buttons. I don't know, the tortoiseshell buttons are just kind of a little to me. But other than that, this coat is really cool. It's from Old Navy. The estimated retail price was $60, but I got it for $21. This is just the perfect color and it's pretty lightweight, so I could totally wear it for the summertime. As you saw in the vlog, I did pick up the green leather jacket, even though I probably shouldn't be wearing leather jackets in the summer, but it's just such a mood. Okay, wait, in the screen with the green and the blue and the pink in the background, I love this. I need to wash you though, you smell like thrift store. This is definitely not the first time that I've gotten a faux fur type of coat in the little girl section. The sleeves are a little short, but I just love the crop length. It's just perfect, and I don't have this color. I really don't, okay? I know I have 20 fur coats, but I don't have this color. Should I really be wearing faux fur coats in the middle of summer? No, but fashion over function. Okay. I did pick up a handful of blazers. I really like the colors with them and I feel like I can use them a lot for styling. There was one pin that had a sweater vest, so I kind of wanted to recreate this type of look. You all know that I love my storybook knits. It's summertime, so I decided to go with a sweater tank top. Is this what a sweater top? Sweater tank. I love the little lavender checkered collar and then embroidered flower detail. This is estimated to retail for $167, but I got it for $32. I also picked up this really fun one. The color scheme, definitely not summer. A lot of people will probably think it's hideous, but I actually really like it, so you can keep your opinion to yourself. This is from the brand Barrick. It actually still has its tag on. It was estimated to retail for $48. I got it for $19. And then this sweater vest is from a recent thrift. I really loved the little embroidery detail on it. I think this would be really cute with a light mint men's button up. That would be cute. So let's hop into skirts. I just really love this front slit. It's from BB. It's estimated to retail for $89. I got it for $20. I don't know, I just felt the color fit really well with the trends. For me, I am pretty short, so I either always have to alter my skirts, make them shorter because I have short legs, and they usually just never fit me at the waist. So as you saw in the vlog, I went to the little girl section and I actually found this purple mini skirt. It's size large, 10-12, but it fits me perfectly. The length of it, perfect. The fit of it, perfect. So shout out to the little girl section. I kid you not, I shop in every single section. What section do I not touch? Nothing. Yeah, I'm even in the appliance section because I like to find weird old vintage appliances that I could paint pink. Heidi also found this really cool midi skirt. It has a bunch of butterflies on it. So 2000s, and I'm so obsessed with it. So I did pick up a couple button ups. I just really liked the color of it. Literally, I gravitate toward anything that's pink. It's kind of bad. I was just really drawn to the ruching detail here. I'm so excited that I picked it up. It wasn't exactly what I saw on my Pinterest board, but I think it totally fits with the summer trends. And then I also picked up this purple satin button up. I mainly picked it up because, as you can see, I have a matching dress and I really wanted to pair it together. But other than that, I think it's a nice top to have for the summertime. I also picked up this pink hoodie. Believe it or not, Nava Rose does not have a pink zip-up hoodie. So weird, right? That's one of the main things that I was looking for this summer. So I mainly just got it for styling purposes. This is from the brand Caroline Taylor. It's estimated to retail for $30. I got it for $11. And I just really like that everything is pink. Even the zipper. The zipper is not silver, which usually zippers are silver and they're just hideous. So I really appreciate that. These are a couple accessories that I picked up. I had to have this. A lot of the Hello Kitty things that I find, clearly I find in the little girl section. So I found this on ThredUp. It was estimated to retail for $26. I got it for $10. And then I also found this at the thrift store. This gigantic yellow butterfly belt. I'm obsessed. I want to show you this t-shirt that I found on ThredUp and I'm so excited over it. It's the Lisa Frank and SpongeBob collab. One, I didn't even know that SpongeBob and Lisa Frank did a collab. Every girl that was born in the 90s, maybe late 2000s, obsessed with Lisa Frank. Even to this day, I'm like 30 and I still love Lisa Frank. And a fun fact is that when I was in junior high, I was literally so obsessed with SpongeBob. I had SpongeBob everything all over my binder, just printed photos of SpongeBob, maybe like hundreds of photos of SpongeBob. Why I was so obsessed with this show, I have no idea. When I found this on ThredUp, I was so excited. This was estimated to retail for $15 and I got it for $11. Unfortunately, there are so many really cool prints at the thrift store, but the style and the silhouette of the actual garment is not up to date at all. So Heidi and I found a bunch of really cool pieces that I'm going to upcycle and do DIYs for. Hawaiian inspired red pants, purple and green paisley top. I also found this burnout tunic top, and it just gives me IMG vibes for sure. There's something about it I really love, and I got a pocket. It's gonna turn out fire, and I'm so excited for that. And then the last thing I found is this knitted crochet type of print. It would be so cute as a dress of some sort. We'll see what I'm able to come up with. Black and sexy is definitely one of my aesthetics, so I have to feed my aesthetic, you know? So the first item is this buckle crop top. This is from the brand Super Down. This was estimated to retail for $45. I got it for $13. I think it's a really fun piece to buckle over a dress or a bralette. I also got this cute lingerie. I really love that it just ties in the front and then it just flows out. Totally forgot to bring the correct bra for this when I was styling it, so just use your imagination, but she's a cute one. I also got a halter. I don't know what exactly this is, but I'm just gonna call it a vest halter top. We did find some really cool crochet pieces. I honestly don't think I have anything that's colorful and crocheted in my closet currently because that has never been my style, but these summer trends have let me experiment and show myself that I actually, you know, really do enjoy these kind of styles. I'm definitely gonna incorporate more of these type of looks into my wardrobe. Kind of bad because that just means my wardrobe is gonna constantly keep growing. This is one top that Heidi found, and it's this really cool green crochet top. I really love the detail on the bottom. Honestly, people that know how to crochet and knit, it just blows my mind. People don't understand, like, yeah, everyone thinks that it's cool that I can sew and whatnot, but people that crochet and knit, they make their own material. I buy my material and then I make something. They make the material and they make something. So talented. You all are just amazing. This just looks straight from my Pinterest board. I'm so obsessed with it, and it has pockets and it's the perfect dress length. Last but not least, we do have dresses. The first dress is this really pretty white satin maxi dress. It's from the brand Show Me Your Moo. It was estimated to retail for $208. I got it for $80, which is like half the price, and it's still in really great condition. Heidi also found this really amazing printed mesh tunic. Will I maybe not wear it in a few years after the trend dies? Possibly, but currently right now, because this pattern is trending right now, I'm obsessed with it, and everyone else will probably be obsessed with it. It definitely gives me Flora vibes from Winx. Okay, this dress, so freaking adorable. This is also from the little girl section. It's just very 60s to me. I love the oversized flower appliques. I know the 70s is currently trending right now, but I did pick up these 90s inspired dresses. They're like slinky midi dresses. This one is so cute because there's just so much going on. I feel like the print is definitely on trend as well, but what I am so obsessed with are the beaded straps. Designers, please bring this back, because I remember I was so obsessed with these kind of straps when I was a kid. My mom would have dresses like this and I loved them so much. They were just so cute. And then lastly, we have one of my favorite dresses. I thrifted this recently too. I have been wearing this way too much, but I love the style and the print. It has little butterflies and flowers on it. So adorable. All right, everyone, so that is all for my thrift haul. I will be posting any DIYs on my Instagram and on my TikTok, so definitely keep a lookout on there for those. Don't forget to use the link in my description box for an extra 30% off your very first ThredUp order. If you all want to connect with me, all my socials are at @TheNavaRose, except for TikTok, which is @the.NavaRose. I hope this was helpful and inspiring for your new summer 2021 wardrobe. Get out there, start thrifting, and be eco-friendly. I love you all so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Hey.